Only Precious Smith go come dey talk. Only Precious Smith go come dey talk. You no come talk. Aberoda, do well. Do well. Do well.
Oh yeah, but
Do
you
well.
remember
No be
say that time where Consagama that time where people come out for a city and everywhere they come say he say they record Mama Nora. You know say I get that record.
Yes. You get the record.
You feel the record Mama Nora. Wait come which discussion you and Pressure May talk reach there before gossip for Mama Nora and Papa Nora come. Wait till not talk reach there.
Because you know why they talk at my sister, eh? This girl, if you as the doctor say Precious Smith voice over plenty, might forget. Anybody wey hear this girl this moment here,
He say they get for phone, say they transfer all the chat put for another phone. Hey, una not here yesterday. He say he did.
I hear my sister. He just
he say but they delete and go transfer all chat when you and a chat.
no, he say if you delete am, e go dey no, he say e go dey go. Yes, anything when you delete, you know they delete like that, e go dey go. Go dey help you dey
that
store.
one, he still talk say he get 4 phone when he transfer things put. Make it no go. He still dey. He talk am. So you buy 4 phone, not be to make money, not be to do affiliate marketing, not be to open branches or to do business online. Now to the transfer chat where person follow you chat, may you keep am for any day. And you can't forget, say, your own shit will come outside. Okay, I want to ask question. You wait the big juju. When they talk say Kokobiri fuck you for inside garden and car, your wife come outside can't talk. Why you not go bring a juju paper, go give your wife say life for your head, Rhoda? When woman come say you send your naked this thing go give your husband, you dey sleep with your husband because of shoe. Why you not go follow that woman? You see, say this one confident. Can you be careful? Baby is here. You go to use that thing, your person. If that Kokobiri no sleep with you, Rhoda, come talk and come swear put. Come swear put. If that Kokobiri no fuck you for inside garden for NF, if he no sleep with you for inside car because of shoe and clothes, may you come swear put. If you no send your naked picture, give that man, come swear put. And you say you dey with man that time, oh, you dey husband house that time. Go summon that woman. No, another topic where women suppose they talk now. The men where they shout single mother. Single mother better pass adulterous woman. Rhoda is an adulterous woman. Thank you, Mama. Rhoda is an adulterous woman. Who know the husband house just the flex like better pass who use husband cover face if they sleep around. She's an adulterous woman. If una no know me, una know now. Person where if it go sleep with Kokobiri, if for inside car, or he guide the way children they play because of shoe. He can't they send the nakedness give the Kokobiri. He husband talk now after they go they ask and deny. And then the wife show the husband naked picture. The husband beat Rhoda. Rhoda can't go call police for the man. Make una too ask him. I don't understand this kind of thing. Adulterous woman, justice or married women where they know they commit adulterous, but Rhoda they commit adulterous.
So she don't call police for your husband.
You know, yeah, when the woman talk. You be say no no say those time record all those things people. For our matter we they keep record. For this girl matter, I pray me I no keep record. You have my call bitch and call police for the man. You call police for the man who are go for say as they talk to lady go now you go make friend with lady pressure man. She's not your man, she's not your close.
Yes, so just that's when you talk now truth oh. Now if you go make friends to Precious Smith, Precious Smith no just go make friend with that girl. No. Precious Smith no dey here now. That woman no dey here. Now she go make friend with let me just tell you people wey make friend with make I tell you. Now she make friend with Precious Smith. Now she make friend with Enoje wife. Now she still make friend with Mama. All those people, they don't now all those people they don't.
Now we go to Enoje wife for. Wait till I tell make friend with Enoje wife. You know say me and I don't the quarter. When is she say Enoje wife do have when I newly start my hair business, I call tell Mommy Nora may help me do advert. Mommy Nora call me do advert. People can't really know me that time. For TikTok and Facebook, they come buy the hair. There was some hair self that time. I mean, they do Mommy Nora children hair. This guy comes and say, I say, Mommy Nora, help me do have and then she go make friend with Mommy Nora. Now so I tell no Mommy Nora and Papa Nora. Yes, make una the year today. Same thing we still do to Lady Precious Meg, something we still go do with mama and mama. How you tell no mama and mama? Not be when we they do about lemon matter. Now you go meet and say you get my information. You can't give her
Not
my
true
information.
though. Joyous no lie. You no lie for this one.
Papa, you don't press baby.
You no lie because mama and mama no know that girl before.
Now you tell her they make friend with her because
Moonlight. Because of it, she go make friend with Moonlight.
Mommy, Moonlight, we don't know that one. I Sanguma way get sense. So when he just see the girl say the girl they hide for back, they push and make carry head come from come to problem. When Moonlight say the saga don't pass, be careful. Now he run He can't still go Moonlight. This evil girl won't they see so. Then yesterday now you come they talk and she say na lady pressure man come meet you now come make friend with you make God punish you. The first day when I see lady pressure me, when you say if they do party, even Murphy they die sitting and Murphy where they come here one some boy, where be my husband friend. When we go that party, not be mama you they call lady pressure me. Mama, yes ma, yes ma. We sure you can't do send a lady pressure me call they find your friend. You say now lady they turtle, you know they turtle and road. Now God will punish you. You are an evil girl. Your evil go now they backfire you now. You want to you say the woman I say you give he give your juju number. Wait till you explain give her before I give your juju number. As I did now, as I be confirm as a woman. Person can't explain problem give me. Now how you take that and make and go so okay maybe I know so person or maybe so juju they my family member. Because it sound like that. Family extended family be native doctor. Maybe this person he gonna give you no banana batting. No be you carry your problem go give her. Then you go one talk. You can't say a lady pressure may make you saga the ex-wife. Road that shall never be well with you. You see why your life will remain miserable. Why your karma go high. It shall never be well with you for your lives. You are a demon. You are a demon in human form. The same moment when you are now they go video my papas. You not gossip and give your people for your city too. You not gossip. Liar. When you know us, you not tell us say your husband or you bog woman born for her. You quit tell me say na Benin woman born for your husband. You even tell me say they marry. They who not come know you will really sit down. They listen to your manipulative voice. Good afternoon.
What I want to be say this road that Esa marriage all of us Naisha. We don't know what they call Alamoka, but I'm Bacha Alamoka. You don't know what they call Alamoka. Why? Okay, not be only Juju is supposed to even go. For me, me are not there against Alamoka. Bacha Alamoka. Like two people will go there. Two of them will swear.
Alamoka for which?
Alamoka. Not just Juju. Yeah, now that one was past Juju. Now that one they could just instantly they will just catch you. Instantly they will just catch you.
Wait, my lord. If he go there, he go fall. He go fall. Mama fall for there. You know the year when they talk. I'm winning ourselves.
Yes, now Shebi sabi do. Shebi sabi do.
If he go there, go fall into.
He sabi talk about Juju. Make they just drug and go there.
The mama confess her.
Now if they just drag and go there. Okay, to board no so keyboard do akiye. One understand what the man talk it do market. And that one was past Juju. Not be all this one Juju. Any small thing Juju. If you go carry fake babalawo corner
me this way. Now
that Alamoka, they don't go there. They don't go there. If you fall, you fall. Who taught truth? You taught truth. You come by yourself use your mouth and answer. Not be say Juju you sit down. Because what I notice be saying that girl don't get peace. She lack peace. Her own self for inner peace. They see say person go talk say I get inner peace. She not get inner peace. Nobody they fight you. Now you by they yourself just they come out they fight yourself.
Thank you.
And I don't understand it from morning till night. You sit down for live video. They constitute nuisance. Nothing they will pay me because in Aisha. They pay me for the whole thing. I swear, nothing more. Now that thing they pay me for inside, say Isha, Aka, they use that eye, they look many people say all these Isha people. Can you imagine that kind of statement? You understand?
just to stop going.
It's okay. Go that side, Joy.
Now you
Baby,
collect person something. Now you know you for just say something sit down for inside house. You keep quiet. Person you collect self. Imagine you the old blood. You see now the man they use your blood they fresh. You they use the man they use your blood they fresh. You they use the man blood they old. And this guy, I'm not just say don't 35 years. The way
you never reach 30 years, 29 years. Like they say.
Problem. What you not concern? You just old. Imagine 29 years.
Now you don't pass. See me, I don't pass 30 years.
As a single, now you don't old past 40. You don't old past 40. Because of people wahala when you say you don't no peace, you know they sleep well for night.
29 years.
If you they sleep, then you they think say they don't they saga me for man rush go there. Imagine. I know that you don't get enough peace. They say inner peace before you sit down and you all they feel that peace within you. She not get time. What did she need to find first?
It be like so.
Which 40? That can never reach 40.
She never reach 18 years when she never reach belly for Joma. She never reach 18 years.
Imagine.
Mona follow this.
Single mother when they insult. Single mother they are doing things every day. They do things. They go school. They do many things for this Deutschland where we did. They do many things. You sit down, they insult them. They insult them. Most of the single men they come and talk. You know both talk for where they talk about money. You know both talk about money for them.
If not beside that, she cannot know.
This is just the verse me.
You get close.
One of my friends when we say no and Richard, they gist me about so now these garage guys now until they grow for Uromi garage market for them.
They cook rice for Agoneti that time. Cook rice.
My girlfriend they tell me about her background. I don't just listen that day. This one when we say nothing
I just get one or two words when I want to Tito shop. A pardon aka click the yellow basket. Rhoda, I know say that your husband you don't lock her for bottle and you don't go through her for Ikpe River. That man they not go free break him back because you don't go. Anything where you talk, now they do. Now I tell you, if they saw single mother, may I just start from that. If they saw single mother, auntie, the one way single mother take better party, not be here. You see that marriage where you did, me, I rather be single mother than did that kind of marriage where you did.
Exactly.
That married that kind use bless no entity. My would be say your first fruit, your first children, they deny them because of this. Your mouth, so it do it, don't they suck different bola follow everywhere. When you don't talk bola follow everywhere, you say if you see that children, let the mark, by then you let and say see the children. With this your mouth, whether you they smoke it, go, I don't know where it come, all your face come yellow,
all your mouth don't black,
all your mouth come burn, all those Caro White products where they stay your panel. All those Caro White products where they stay your panel, they'll constantly. Oh, I married woman go they follow men, they do friends. How married woman they follow friends, they do the married woman, you call yourself married woman, they follow men, they do friends. And two, you say single mother, their children. See your neck, Rhoda. If they pick up of water, I swear you go swallow the water. Now I tell you, they Deutschland, they say me go breathe DNA test. You know if you go hospital, go do DNA test. When you did Deutschland, see me come I tell you, don't happen to me. When I come to Germany, German accuse me by themselves, say I must go do DNA test. Now me come they drag them, they force them, say I beg when we want go the DNA test, when we want to go do one. When we want go, I call they use my lawyer, they drag them. And they see the way I take serious put. Now I say I don't need the appointment. When I go book an appointment, when I go send me the letter, I go. Then I don't see what me they give me the results. They go forward and give you. Now if not, I'm gonna post and come for me. As they see the way I take challenge, then I therefore know okay, this person, they say me you go breed DNA test, you go they carry juju. You know they shit. Now DNA test, now it be juju. They say your picking where you get, you where they cause single mother road that see your teeth for months. They say your first daughter, they say na bastardo, according to Italy. Not be this your aqua vera husband, not be born. This your dead amongst the living husband. They say not be born. They say not be born and another man you born for. See, some women for this Europe where they challenge single women, single mother. You first sit down. When you go sit down, you go reason your marriage, you go reason that single mother where you want to go talk to whether you better person. Single mother they do hospital. Oh. Single mother get BS for hand. They get S5 for hand. They get label in Deutschland for hand. But for you sit down for TikTok money tonight. You don't get what you they do. You they click the yellow basket, click the orange basket, TikTok shop products. If I go let you buy hair 500 euro put for it, you want buy, you not go fit. You not go fit, Rhoda. Single mother they buy hair 500 euro, they'll put on for it, they go look good, spray better perfume, buy better marker, your best marker. I should say na she now you for the buyer. You say you want born, if for born reach 10 children, 5 children not reach for your born football team. So that's make your husband for no. And that is where you they run for, or you and that man they run for. Now go pay, not be Dutchland, Jama. You now go pay. They go give you time you take craze. If you don't craze finish, they'll come reset your brain. You go pay. When letter go they come, yellow envelope go they enter your boss every day until you go pay. You go pay. Now she be the highest clothes. I never see. I don't block you. If I saw that, oh my, this I don't block you. Finish. If I see you for blog, I just check this girl. Now she because I never see marker for your body. See this one where you put for it. Now where they say tomatoes for new beneath that year. Where they say tomatoes. Now you put for it. They know they use them again. This one, I should say, if you put another, we know what may you buy or as they cost you some more for the cost. You not follow where gas they. If you follow where gas they, and see your head go catch fire. You go catch fire because now sponge you put for head. Now sponge you put for head. That your use, but where you don't spoil the mouth, go still carry this your mouth will be like gutter and you want to kiss them. How you take the kiss them because your mouth go swallow you because your mouth too big. Your man too big. You dey so single mother. You know how they go take break tomorrow. Barack Obama will do president for America and a single mother reason. Many celebrities for this one a single mother na reason. Cristiano Ronaldo na single mother reason. And your pikin, you see you Rhoda. Your course when they cost you. Course where would they cost you? Your children don't go amount to anything. Your children, they don't go amount to. As you take course on other people, children, you see your own children, all those course where they cost, all those evil way they wish on other person's children, you go come to your children, Rhoda. You go land for your children head. They say that man I Binima, that man not be Binima. You know why anything not they worry Rhoda. Now WhatsApp marriage you do. You never do marriage. Now WhatsApp marriage now you do. Daddy, I feel marry Daddy, okay, if you drink the drink now you do. They never pay your bride price. Now WhatsApp marriage you do. That's why they misbehave. Because if you go Bini when me for come, you go pray bride price. As to they pay bride price, they go carry you go family as they go carry you go swear in your wa.
The husband family got the marriage, or the husband family not queer set out.
But I want this one. I will run it the way your husband for con, me for con. You see that place where your husband for con. Cause where he did the road there. That's why I say you don't spoil them. If not, you for dog by road. You for dog by I swear. Because that place, if you be woman, if you carry that kind of thing, you not go spend 14 days for a life. You go back. Now WhatsApp marriage you do. That's why you still there alive because you are not married. If you marry, they will carry you go and you are the pukola. You go. You not go use your hand picker. You go use your mouth picker. Any day where you go native daughter place, carry the senior one go native daughter. Now that day you go back. Senior wife. Now you use a pardon. I thought that way go fire you know that they do press up. Turn that way they fire you, they do press up.
I don't understand the husband family. Nobody they even they vote they feed. I don't want na fear oh. I mean they feed them when they don't fit tell us.
You know when they don't
married woman, your husband don't fit tell you say you enter house.
You know what they don't arrange they put for Pepsi bottle, 7-Up, Coca-Cola bottle.
You don't take now. You as in I don't understand.
I know. See you carry for 9 months and another man get if you go do DNA test. May you boss even that your husband now if for stand up say people they accuse I want go do DNA test. May you take proof people wrong. You go they carry TikTok juju. You go they carry TikTok juju. That man not they finish for TikTok. You go dey carry TikTok.
Yeah, that is the fact. Because if to say, because if you go any laboratory for here, and they will give you, it's very easy to run out for here. You and the pikin will go there. It's very easy. Under how many days you come outside? You
see, I said they go understand.
Even Nigeria, this girl for don't to collect.
Go do DNA test. Na me drag bath. They come tire. Na me come dey drag. They say when we want go the appointment, mona book and mona choose doctor, mona choose the place. Send me the appointment. I go. I don't understand. People they accuse you. You go dey carry juju. And the old juju man now come dey speak English. They find foul things they there for Nigeria. He dey find goats. He dey feast dates. The other one, I go feed that one picture. So you're small, rich. She say you be a cow. Say you be native daughter picking. You be native daughter boy. You no go find work. Road that yours they use all of up and down. Both all those one way.
Like you don't know say they just need to Christmas finish. Money never
Now
get so they need to chop goat them. Wow.
Caro White product. All those Caro White products where be said they don't lazy finish. Una mates, real men for Europe they work. They work 8 hours, 10 hours. Una day here, una the saga single mother for TikTok. Single mother one the saga they work. Sunday school. Una dey TikTok. If na say comot now the useless women wey go still put pekus for now see they enter. They do vaga then I blame. And many of una na single mother polygamous so now na for come. Single mothers polygamous so wey be say that they use juju.
Imagine this kind of woman with the first. You imagine this kind in Nigeria, this kind of lady, the husband, they can be polygamous. Up to the poison, they go give all the children, he go change the way they
say Nigeria. I wish that. You see that first one.
Person where they go to
see,
you go make those children be useless because of the jealousy. Children who dey with you go jealous like this. Imagine say they dey with you. Imagine say una dey the same house. How you for do them?
See, you see that.
Imagine how you for do them. Una dey the same house. Una not the same house, so you dey get their bad belly like this. Imagine say una dey the same house. How you for do those children?
If you see one thing I want to know, if you see those that man first children, hey, where they wear this girl no bold wear.
See, mommy Joyous, you know why this girl they vex so you know say as that man say want go see the children, this woman, this witch, this Azenso, he want follow the man go. This girl get plan. He get plan before. As you know, configure that anger, everything come bring the anger come out. Why he be say if you not get plan, that your useless husband, he say he not care about the children. You see that children, you see your children, Rhoda, your children. You see that man, your husband go work, he go use white hair to work. That children where you born, so they not go give
that they pay, no manner. That they pay, no manner.
You say that the 30,000
they pay the woman.
Not go pay.
You not go pay before not be Jamie dey.
Na Jamie they pay.
Na Jamie dey. Na papa na get government. Na papa na the government we no pay.
They pay, no manner.
That's why you born 5 children. They go drag your two, they go put out for gas, it go catch fire. Jama. They go send you yellow envelope tire. They go say you, they see say they not say all those hair wey dey your pekus, they go cut and put am for gas, they go burn am.
You see German government with Kleiner app and German government they be the same. If you like maybe 100 years. I tell you Kleiner with German government they be the same.
No,
if you like maybe 100 years, they'll carry your leg go cancel, you will pay.
No, listen. German government better pass Klana. They better pass Klana. They better pass. If you want y'all know what's good for you for Germany, don't go that go buy such a credit. See, don't let them cash you for grand though. Don't let people cash you for grand because people will hate you. Many past people will like you. People will like you.
She's also a blackmailer. She will want blackmail people.
All those who will carry BS like goats, Christmas goats, who carry BS like Christmas goats. Now they like you. Don't let people cash you for ground or to beat you. I swear they tell you the truth and the facts. They go beat you. They don't care. They beat you finish like 2 fighting. You know, say road that don't happen for this Facebook or one come they call single mother where they see her for jam before you they beat nonsense come up for your face before police come. All of them don't come out, but they beat and they carry picking go corner. They carry this lady, they beat her. Like Jamie here for happen about 3 years ago, 3 to 4 years ago, and it go happen to you. This your teeth will be like a way you make kele way rat, will be like what rat eat. They go help you cut them. You go see them. You say, I don't know how they say they follow. How they say they follow this lady, they do friend. Say precious
Thank
men.
you. Who is the next person? May una talk. Oh, baby, don't wait. Now make her the shit. At the no baby. So the next person we want to talk. Thank you, my sister.
Mama, how is baby?
I'm there for you. You see now. I don't even get time for myself. It be like say I go barb my hair. I be the trainer me I weave. I'll go barb and no fit. Una no say I know the plate. I be one try made out of the plate. I'll go barb. You know, it's the new mom. I be don't forget say how they take care of newborn baby. But no. It's not easy. Not be makeup and dressing a day. Now more y'all leave me. No makeup again. Make baby fair gross.
Because of jealousy, you go dey born children when be say you not dey interested on. You not love those children. I dey tell you.
If they tell that one, no manner.
Now if you to say everything, make they clap for you. You come outside. Now run her. I say, I understand. Now everything they come up for your mouth. Everything you open your mouth wide, they come out like tap.
They not train this girl for no one. You don't know when they insult people and lie. It's they lie. Who want join my show? So I all say, okay, let me put the person. Now lie, now fool and mouth. Imagine. It say not be pressure men for come out for you. No. Not be for come out for you when you they disgrace say some people. If they want to talk now, they'll say some people where they're not good before. They not gonna not say you not the one where if mama fall for Osunene. Your mama fall for which?
They know nothing like this bad
But
name.
there they bring bad name, can't give us no good reputation. Husband side dogbe, your own side dogbe. Your mama know where 5 days you not call your mama. Who know where with body swell up. But you feel go they call juju, they give her money. If mama go hospital 5 days, you not call her. You not call her. Your mama want talk, say even though you tell person that whether why the person you can't talk her. Why go give me belle? Get prink. If they fuck you spiritually, they give you belle. Maybe like that, they demand. Belle na free of charge. You say why go give? Whether I give you na belle? The man will give women belle where can't they call single mother. Tell them say make they go work, make that they pay their children. You hear? If mama too, if your mama see money take trainer, she not go use 17 years, go marry man of 40-something years. Now because the mother also paid her as a single mom. Now where they call single mom?
This single mom of 18, say person go just carry wake up say you want be single mom. See, I tell you one story. I got one friend. Na Nigeria the guy dey. Me I know say this guy he not ready to marry. They listen to me. This guy na all this other side. Now they do like man, they do like woman. You believe say this guy they plan to marry woman now? Give her belly, make it born for her. Then if you don't born for her finish, he go leave the woman. He go leave the woman. He go travel out of the country. Make the family not suspect say he na that type of person.
Woman picture up. Why? This adorable woman. Why did you bring her picture here?
Why not go adorable? I start saying you they use and do soapy.
You don't go feel
now you're talking bad now. You may not need to work now. You need work. After they use and do soapy, go use to give you adorable. After they help your husband, they fuck. You know yes, this person husband not they fuck.
Not good.
Now you they help.
Beautiful woman.
Man, that's me. They're beautiful. They enjoy their life. Why are you jealous of?
You know say so me what?
Why are you jealous and pain? Why? Bring down this picture, please. She's a beautiful woman.
See the English when they come up for your mouth. Best of the same feather. Then why you why they can't use that English when they come up for your mouth.
Why we not go bring and come up? We want tell and say now you be second sugar daddy when they help your husband. They serve your husband say 6 months you know they near her. So since now you tell they do soapy, why not go beautiful for your face? Jesus, well, you they come my platform. You never hear say you not be your papa's. My platform not be for obey women with their faith for life. You faith, you say me I go work. You know, say na so your mama take work, take care of you now. I be full housewife, complete on 8 years, traditionally married. White wedding, Jamie, direct. You understand? Now man, they work give woman. I no marry old man wey no fit work, take care of me and children. I sure that one work now in day and night they cry. They cry for single mother life. They cry for who better person. You now wey still use there, so bear way or where you wey get to bola. God they create people, carry to bola, carry give you. They waka like who carry 10 brocos for leg. You consider they say they give my work. Your tongue long past mouth. If you see this kind of person face, now it be like shit where they match. Now you get they say you think say na here na your regular platform. You need to say they beautiful because soapy no easy. You don't know how many minutes before you come if they do soapy. To use person do something easy. Make my son sleep. You go collect from my hand. You don't fake on that fuck there. Keep you quiet. He say they put beautiful. It's beautiful, of course. Soapy no easy. If you want to go do soapy for a shower, Joshua, you don't know how much you go pay. So person they give you for free for phone. Look me, look down. You know come present. I bet house. Don't let me finish you. You think say my mouth good? If I stay jollof for that for saga, all these men are going to enter us.
No mind na mama.
I
Na
not say
something they worry am. You know say as this woman not be a son, na Isha. This Isha woman not say as he open mouth gbada. If he dey see her, he go dey shake and well.
So
Goat. Very naughty person. This one na disgrace to Asian people, not people Asian, because Asian is far from Asian.
he still there my waiting list. Wetin they do for my waiting list?
He dey look you now. May he take you depression, mama, beg. Let her dey there with you, ma. You know say maybe they.
Person say